Hello guys, welcome back. This is going to be a session where we speak about something called as affiliate location extensions. We have discussed about a lot of extensions so far. We have seen about site link extensions, we have seen about call extensions, location extensions, review extensions, call out extensions and things like that. Now one question that's being asked a lot these days is what are these affiliate location extensions and how would an AdWords advertiser benefit from these? Now this is a session where I would talk to you about these things. Now, we had affiliate location extensions all the while for search and display networks, but a recent update that Google AdWords has released says that the affiliate location extensions have been extended to the YouTube ads right now, the video ads, and here is how it works. Now, if you sell a product on Google using AdWords, and let's say you have created a YouTube campaign for that, now when your ad is playing, about your product is playing, there would be a small extension below the ad which would tell where your product is available in the nearest stores. For example, if I'm trying to purchase Google Home or Amazon Voice or the Alexa, now when their ad is playing, a small extension would pop up at the bottom and it would show me the nearest stores which are selling these things. So that it's now there should not be any reason why users should not go and buy at a store just because they're available online. Now think about it. You and I are willing to purchase the product if it's available in the store next to us. The only reason we would go online and wait for purchase those products without purchasing them in the store nearby is when you're getting a better deal. If that's not the case, if you're talking about Alexa or if you're talking about Google Home, I don't think there would be a price difference in what you get online and what you get in the physical retail stores. Now, at this point in time, though the ad is being displayed for Amazon Alexa or any of the product that I want, if there is a extension which says that this product is being sold in any of the retailers close by, I would jump on it and try and get it as soon as possible rather than to place an order online. Now, at the same time, you would have to understand that the affiliate location extensions at this point in time is available only for two categories. One of them is for general retailers, and it's only available for auto dealers at this point in time. And that is also available for a selected few countries. And very soon, let's hope that Google would be extending these categories. Now, in the next couple of minutes, I would just show a video about how to create these affiliate location extensions so that you can start off by creating those and start reaping the benefits out of it. Thank you so much for staying tuned, and please expect to see more of such videos coming almost every day or at least twice a week going forward. And you know what to do if you have liked this video. Please click on the subscribe button to get these updates. And if you want to receive a notification when there is a new video uploaded, please click on the bell icon below. Thank you so much. This is Casey from Digital Titans signing off. Cheers.